How to become the ultimate weight losing machine. Friends, Diwali is just passed away, and we must have consumed many of the sweets and many of the desserts in this Diwali, and we should be. But because of all these fat diets or because of all these bad diets, we must have consumed some weight which we should be get rid of. And today in this video, I will give you a tool so that you can get rid of extra weight and become the fat losing machine. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their fat. Friends, you must have seen many of the people who are losing their weight up to 5 kg in a month. And if they lose their weight with the same progress, then in a year they're going to lose around 60 kg, or in 2 years they're going to lose around 120 kg. But usually it does not happen because the body has its own safety mechanism. Whenever we consume more sugar, we become a fatty person. Whenever we reduce sugar or whenever we reduce carbs, we become the fat burning machine. But for this, we need to adapt some skills so that we can understand that how to modify our diets as per the festivals or as per our days. Today I'll give you a tool so that you can reset your metabolism again. Friends, whatever you are consuming, you just need to consume. Take an alternate day. On that very day, on every alternate day, you just try to consume a heavy food in morning. For example, dal and rice. Just consume some chapatis along with some paneer in your lunch, and in evening just try to consume only protein diet. Whatever kind of protein, it could be the tofu, it could be the soybean chunks, but do not consume any carbohydrate or grains on that day. Do it alternately so that your metabolism will be reset in a week, and whatever kind of extra water weight you have, you can be get rid of it. Even you can also become a fat losing machine if you adapt this kind of schedule in your life. Friends, this is how you can reset your metabolism after Diwali or after festivals like this. Even as a part of my life also, I do not consume much grains or heavy food in dinner. So that's why try to avoid heavy dinner in your night and try to consume a heavy food in your morning. So friends, this is all about to becoming the ultimate fat losing machine. Friends, I have created a 5-day boot camp on WhatsApp where I'm going to guide you that how you can reset your metabolism and how you can adapt a healthy lifestyle in these 5 days and you can lose up to 1 kg in 5 days. Friends, if you want to know, if you want to start your healthy life, then you can join this bootcamp. Link I'm giving you in the description. If you want my personal guidance, my personal lighting to lose up to 10 kg, then feel free to contact me or message me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.